Betrayed Nnamdi Kanu because he was my friend. At the time Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, he was my enemy. I was looking for him to kill him. He was also looking for me to kill him. So I promised him that I would smoke him out. So how did I betray him? He don't even know the meaning of betrayal, sir. Months before he was caught, I told him I would smoke him out anywhere he is. Go and check my previous videos. So it's not a new thing. How will I betray my enemy? I've even held myself back for not talking about him any longer. So don't allow me to go back and start talking about him and spoil matter for him. Eh? Keep your lane. Day your day, make a day my day. I beg you.
The dirty water of Nigeria. The dirty water of the Igbo land. The Igbo land. The East. The dirty water of the East. On our way be East. We will be East. We will not scatter say we'll be Southeast. We're gonna prepare on ourselves for we don't prepare, we don't ready. We Southeast, I want to tell on something. If say no be this oil away from Niger Delta, this oil away from Southeast, I no go lie. The other people for don't deal with us. They don't value us. They don't want to know us. Even they for don't kill us finish. They for don't buy us finish. Now this oil away from here. If you know be this oil, I don't know what I will be from Nigeria. Therefore, no count us put for Nigeria. Now, because of this oil. This oil, free oil, where they take, they press us, they intimidate us, they do us any year. Now, they even, they look our face. See the killing for East. See the RNG killing, the Padi killing, the Wayo killing for East. They destroy for everywhere for East. They destroy village in the name of IPOB. In the name of Biafra, when the president come, they begin to kill people. Bandits today, the other side, though. Bandits today, there. How many did they kill? Bandits today, there, no. They say when they kill one soldier, they go kill 50 civilians. They go kill 20 civilians. They go kill 100 civilians. Check how many soldiers did they kill for North. How many soldiers did they kill? Make sure that they use Wayo, they follow us. Make sure that they use RNG, they follow us. Waiting we Southeast do on that. Waiting Southeast do on that.
Good day, sir. Viewers, if you are watching now, click on the like button, drop your comment, and also share this program to others. Subscribe if you are watching for the first time. I will kill Nnamdi Kanu whenever I see him. Asari Dokubo threatens. What do you have to say about this?
Well, I repeatedly understand where that misinformation, because why I call it misinformation is that, Asari Dokubo was not giving us the real fact and is not ready to disclose it. But in a recent interview, where he made it very clearly that we are enemies before Nnamdi Kanu was actually, kidnapped from Kenya. And he was claiming that he maybe possibly contributed whatever deal that they entered that saw the federal government, putting down $10 million to make sure that Nnamdi Kanu is being brought back from Kenya, as alleged by Omole Sowore. But coming back to Asari Dokubo and the Biafra factor, yes, Asari Dokubo knows very clearly what he wanted, and those who actually used him to begin to project something towards the Biafran struggle, as the case may be. I have to be very optimistic here, very clearly here, And remember, if you watch for some time now, it has been making controversial statements about the Igbo nation. They have been saying a lot of things about the Igbo nation, to an extent that he had boys, that work for him in Imo State, to cause insecurity in Imo State, to do a lot of things. The Igbo nation, I'm not talking about, say, this thing, the people don't understand it. Yes, the Igbo Biafrans seem to be the umbrella, the center of attraction. We have Igbo Biafrans. we have Isoko Biafrans, we have, you know, other ethnic nationalities that factored into Biafra. There's no doubt about that. You know, but the Igbo Biafrans seems to be a larger, strength. Let me use it that way when it comes to the Biafran, struggle. I don't want to go to the issue of Chukwuma Nzogbu and the rest of them who fought in that war and all that, you know. But I'm concentrating on how Asari Dokubo intend to kill, Nnamdi Kanu in whichever measure he thinks that it was the right thing to do in a struggle that has to come with, having solidarity, building a structure for Biafran restoration and solidarity. Asari Dokubo made that statement clearly that he will kill Nnamdi Kanu. What was actually the problem? Biafra has not been restored. Asari Dokubo did not contribute in the activities of the IPOB, even though he is one of the IPOB, because you do not need a member. You do not need membership to be an IPOB. You are an IPOB by birth. No matter how you deny it. This is not a matter of religion. This is not a matter of where you belong to. But at that point, he started demanding that he control the structure of the Biafran struggle. Was not actually right. It was not right intellectually. It was not proper in terms of what was going on during that period where everybody need to play together to get to that level where here is they can now realize that, okay, this struggle has paid off. Now let us see how we are going to cooperate. I think that was the major issue. All of a sudden, he wanted to declare himself the president of Biafra, and the IPOB and the power structure as at that time rejected that offer. And that was all. We want to be a president of Biafra. Biafra has not come. You are talking about becoming the president of Biafra. They are asking questions. Why do you want to become the president of a nation the world has not declared a sovereign nation? Yes, it shows very clearly that right from the time Abinishon he was claiming he's from Abreba, he's from Abia State, he's an Igbo man, he's an Igbo that and Igbo that. A lot of people, for me, do not actually take it serious, because someone that can betray his own people because of porridge is Niger Delta. Let me just use that word. It's Niger Delta what it is now. I know the story of the John Nation completely. Nobody will tell me, even before the war. I know the position of Isaac Adekaboro. I know what Awolowo said on the eve of the Nigeria-Biafra Civil War. But let me make it very clearly. There is no nation anywhere in the world without ethnic minorities. These are the people, most of them schooled. Asari Dokubo, and let me ask you a simple question. Most of these so-called Niger Delta grades, where did they actually school? They schooled in government college Omahia. They were readily accepted under the old Eastern Bloc, which was then, even before it was called the old Eastern Province. Go and look at states and the geopolitical structure of the old Eastern Province under the Portuguese and understand what I'm talking about. So because you did not allow you to start eating something that is not matured yet on the issue of different struggle, then you say you will kill Nnamdi Kanu. Just because of that. Then you begin to align. You are going to see, it has become very clearly in the issue of militancy or whatever you talk for the Niger Delta struggle about that, you failed woefully. Have Niger Delta currently now benefited from that struggle? The answer is no. But instead, you guys are now the ones guiding the same pipeline that is taking crude to other places. You supervise people. What has Nnamdi Kanu done wrong? Because he rejected you being the president of Biafra. Then you deviated, you aligned, you claimed that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is your godfather. You align with APC and the world now. Well, Nnamdi Kanu has entered another phase. It's much more bigger than you, 100% now. Asari Dokubo, Nnamdi Kanu is 100% bigger than you, 20 million times. He might not have access to the crude oil, he might not have access to anything. The government has offered him many opportunities. It's in for the struggle. And it will be a very big disappointment. Well, listening to that man from Ikwere, I think so, from Rivers State, they call him General Sabuja. These are the kind of people we need. He is not hostile. He is just knowledgeable, intelligent, and understand the conquest of Niger Delta, the conquest of South. You are pretending over this because you feel that it is no longer to be possible. But I can tell you, go and check the history of other nations that have achieved freedom. Some of them, it took them years. More Biafra groups, Asari Dokubo, more Biafra groups are emerging. It's becoming very clear. The world knows the truth. And I know you also know the truth. But he said that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is your friend. And you can never betray him. Then you align with those forces to champion something you feel that is benefiting you. You supervise your enemies. Take the resources in your backyard to another place and you celebrate it. You kill Nnamdi Kanu. Well, posterity have a way. But you can see very clearly now, irrespective of whatever role you played, or you are claiming that you smoked him out wherever he is, he has turned to something phenomenal. To Nnamdi Kanu. He has become popular. The world leaders are discussing about him. He has advanced the Biafra struggle to the peak. He has changed a lot of things. Yes, it's in secondary prison. The battle continues. More Biafran groups are emerging. And you are being placed on the radar. He did not do you any good. He has never killed any German. And you come to the public and you say you kill Nnamdi Kanu. Well, that's a very clear message. You are not part of the struggle. You are not part of the struggle. It's okay. But don't threaten to kill Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu represents, is the symbol of 85 million Biafrans all over the world. And you can see the gap between you and Nnamdi Kanu now. You can never attain that height. Thank you.
Okay.